Hello everyone, in this video let's talk about Cout in C++. So this Cout, it is a predefined object which is available in OStream class. So suppose if you want to make use of this Cout in your program, you have to include a header file, that is iostream.h. Okay, then only it is possible to make use of this object Cout in your program. Okay, so this Cout, it is similar to printf statement, that is a printf function in the C language. Okay, so in C language, as it is a procedure oriented programming language, there we are using printf, scanf, such type of functions to perform input and output operations. And coming to C++, as this C++ it is a object oriented programming language, here we are using objects instead of functions. Here we are using objects like Cout and Cin. Okay, for input and output purposes, here we are using Cout and Cin objects. These are predefined objects. Okay, so similarly this the functionality of this Cout is same as a printf statement in the C language. So printf is used to print the values on the output screen. Similarly, this Cout object is also used to display the values on the output screen. Okay, so Cout refers to console output, that is monitor. Okay, and by using this Cout, it is possible to print both formatted as well as unformatted output operations. We can perform both formatted as well as unformatted operations by using this Cout object. And in printf function in C language, by using, if you are going to use a printf function, there you have to specify format specifier, that is a conversion character. Suppose if you want to print some integer values, percentage d is the format specifier for integers. Suppose if you want to print character values, percentage c. Similarly, for float values, percentage f, like that we have to specify format specifiers in C language while using, if you are using printf function. But in C++, if you are using Cout object, okay, no such type of format specifiers are required here, because implicit conversion nature is there in C++. Okay, so that means internally by default it will convert. No need, as an user, no need to specify any format specifiers. It is not required in C++. Okay, so directly you can give Cout. So see here, the syntax for Cout is Cout. Here this is the operator you have to use. This operator, it is called as a, see here. Okay, so this is a left shift operator. Okay, and in bitwise operators in C language we will learn. Okay, this is the left shift operator. So here this operator, it is called as insertion operator. Okay, which is used to insert the values on the output screen. Similarly, we can also call it as a put to operator. Okay, and also we can also call it as a output operator. Okay, so here this operator we can call either an insertion operator or a put to operator or output operator. Okay, so Cout, we have to, this is the object and followed by this operator, that is insertion operator. Here you can write either a text or a variable or any expression. So which values you want to display, those values you can write there. Okay, so this is the syntax for Cout. Okay, so we can also call this operator as this operator, that is the insertion or put to or output operator, we can also call it as a overloaded left shift operator. Okay, as there is a operator overloading concept is there in C++, there we will learn about this. We can also call it as a overloaded left shift operator. Okay, so that's about the Cout. So this program is to display the hello world string on the output screen by using Cout object. So here first of all I have include header file iostream.h, that is input output stream.h. If you want to make use of Cout or Cin objects in your program, you have to include this header file first of all. Next, hash include conio.h, that is console input output. Okay, if you use this header file, we can make use of some functionalities like clr scr. Okay, to clear the output screen we will use this function, and get ch. Okay, get ch means read. Ch stands for to read the character. Okay, So mainly this getCH function, it is used to hold the output screen, okay, until the user presses on the keyboard, okay. That is the purpose of this getCH function, okay. So it is used to hold the output screen until the user presses something on the keyboard, okay. So coming to the main function, here I am using CLR SCR, okay. This function will clear the output screen, okay. And also coming to Cout object, here directly I am displaying the hello world within the double quotations, okay, followed by semicolon, getCH return 0, okay. This is my program. Now let me compile the program first. So no errors, let me run the code. So see here, hello world is displayed, hello world string is displayed on the output screen. Suppose here if I take some integer variable, int a equal to 20, float b equal to 2.5, okay. Now how to display these values? See here, directly Cout a, here I am using an object, a predefined object endl, which is used to end the line, so that the cursor will come to the next line, okay. After displaying that, the cursor will come to the next line, just like /n in C language, okay. Just like /n in C language, in C++ we can use this endl. It is just like a /n, that is a escape sequence /n in C language. Here we can use endl object. It is a predefined object which is present in OStream class, okay. So the main purpose of this endl is it is used to insert a new line character, okay. And also here now Cout, I am printing the value of b. So here if you want, you can give /n also like this, okay. See here, now save the file, compile the code. I got errors. Oh, int here a equal to, I have to declare the variable, okay. Okay, now let me save the file again, okay. Compile the code, no errors. Now let me run the code. So see here, hello world 22.5, okay. So this is my output. So like this, by using Cout object, we can display the values on the output screen, okay. So that's about Cout object. Thank you.